Hello, property buyers and investors. Today, let me take you to this 3-story house and lot in Montclair subdivision, Davao City. The property is seated on a 226 square meters lot area with a total floor area of 320 square meters. It has 1 master's bedroom and 3 spacious bedrooms with toilet and bath. This property is located near the clubhouse, so you will have a view of the clubhouse of the subdivision. You can park 2 cars here, but they converted this to a receiving area and some areas for the dogs. Huge space for your living and your dining area. The house has 2 kitchens, the main kitchen and the service kitchen. Another addition to the house is this bar, which can cater more than 10 people, and it comes with a bathroom. This is the home theater located downstairs. This is the balcony. You can schedule a viewing with us for you to appreciate this property. Thanks for watching and see you for our next video.